Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Illustrator in 30 minutes for vector logos, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, download and install Adobe Illustrator from the official Adobe website. After installation, open Adobe Illustrator on your computer. When Illustrator launches, select Create New to start a new document. In the New Document window, choose the Print preset for vector logos. Set the width and height according to your logo requirements. For a standard logo size, you might choose 1000 by 1000 pixels. Ensure the color mode is set to RGB for web logos or CMYK for print logos. Click Create to open your new document. Next, familiarize yourself with the workspace layout. The toolbar on the left contains essential tools for creating and editing your logo. On the right, you will find the Properties panel, where you can adjust your settings. To start drawing your logo, select the Rectangle tool from the toolbar. Click and drag on the canvas to create a rectangle. You can adjust the size of the shape by selecting it and modifying the dimensions in the Properties panel. Use the Selection tool to move and transform your shapes. To add color, select the shape and choose a fill color from the Color panel. For more advanced shapes, explore the Pen tool to create custom paths. Click on the canvas to create anchor points and adjust the curves as needed. To duplicate shapes, hold the Alt key while dragging the shape to a new location. Keep your logo simple by limiting the number of colors and shapes used. To work with text, select the Type tool and click on the canvas. Type your desired text and choose a font from the Character panel. Adjust the size and spacing to fit your design. Experiment with different alignments and styles to find your logo's perfect look. Once your design is complete, save your work by clicking on File and then Save As. Select the appropriate file format, such as AI, for future editing. For a web-ready version, choose PNG or SVG to export your logo. In the Export window, select your desired settings and click Export. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.